The Foundation Diploma in Art and Design, based at Nant Garw, is a dynamic, immersive qualification which is designed to provide transition from general education to specialist art and design education. The course is traditionally studied before taking a degree or as a standalone experience. The course incurs no tuition fees and, apart from a small studio fee, is free to study. During your studies, you'll develop advanced skills and highly creative portfolios. You'll be taught in well-equipped workshops and studios by experienced teachers, artists and designers who have extensive experience across a wide breadth of art and design disciplines. They'll support you through the UCAS application process and help you find the most appropriate degree course for you if you choose to progress to higher education. The course is designed around 3 distinct stages. It begins with a broad exploration of skills and methods, allowing an opportunity to experience a variety of art and design disciplines. You'll study colour, approaches to drawing and painting, a wide variety of 3D making skills, industry standard software like Photoshop, and traditional workshop skills like blacksmithing. You'll learn how to generate ideas and concepts and follow different processes of design. The course is underpinned by an emphasis on experimentation and creative risk-taking in a supportive and guided environment. During Stage 2, you will gradually refine your areas of study through continuous diagnostic and progressive exploration of methods and concepts particular to art, craft and design. At all times, we promote independence, choice and a student-led learning experience. You'll spend time working in an area that you've chosen, completing a series of art and design projects. In Stage 3, you initiate and produce a major project and public exhibition in your chosen discipline. To study this qualification, you must be 18 at the start of the course and will be progressing from other Level 3 qualifications. The course is also popular with mature learners from a variety of backgrounds. In terms of entry criteria, you will require 5 GCSEs at grade A* to C, including English, Welsh and Maths, or 1 A-level or BTEC Level 3 Extended Diploma or NVQ Level 3. You'll be required to provide a portfolio of practical work during your interview. Studio fees are currently £65, which contribute towards specialist materials and tools, trips and guest speakers. We proudly offer learners access to industry standard equipment and resources at our Nant Garw campus. There are dedicated studios and specialist staff teaching animation, fine art, graphics, illustration, 3D, fashion and textiles and photography. Our students progress onto a range of prestigious degree courses, including those at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, UAL St Martin's, Goldsmiths and UAL Chelsea. Our former students are working in the creative industries in the UK and around the world, from New York to Australia. With over 100 different undergraduate disciplines in the field of art, craft and design to choose from, the Foundation Diploma in Art and Design will help you to make appropriate choices and prepare you for higher education or future employment within the creative visual disciplines. Please view our learners' achievements on our Facebook and Instagram pages, or visit the website www.cymoeddcreative.ac.uk for our online portfolio and virtual exhibitions.